Now for some of you that watch my videos in the past, and you know that this screen here has pretty much been broken somewhat for the past several months. So we're about to fix this right now. As you saw, the screen was kind of stuck, but honestly the screen just stays black like this every time I'm driving. If you've seen one of my TikTok videos, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But there it is right there, and it never really comes on anymore. So we have the fix for that. The part is the APIM or the APIM. I'll leave a link to everything down in the description. So here's one of the tools that you're gonna need. So this is basically like a pry tool, a little plastic pry tool, so it won't damage anything, scratch it up or whatever. So I'll leave a link to this down in the description. First thing you wanna do is pry this up. There you go. All right, so we got that part out. So after you take the speaker grill off, you got two 7mm bolts. Ooh. So then you go here, go ahead and pry this up. All right, there you go. Just set that to the side. You have plenty of room. So now you do have these two right here. All we need to do now is just either pull it or we can pry it out. There it is. Where is it? Oh, there it is. You can see it's a part right here. It's basically for this right here, where you want to unplug, and then let me see, look like it's somewhere else, another spot. So yeah, with a volume control and a tune control, that's what it looks like. So I need to do that real quick. I got that one out. Dang, why did I feel like that took forever to get it out? We got this loose, we'll get this out the way. We'll set this to the side somewhere. All right, so now that we got that disconnected, now you can see we got 7mm bolt here, here, and here, 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 and here. So the APIM is connected to the back of this. I thought it was this right here at first, but now I realized, like later on when I was getting ready to order the part, it's behind this. So I'll show all of that in just a second. Sticky right here. Now that we got that situated, now we can just pull this off. All right, and we do got a few things back here, as you can see, kind of connected back here. All right, so you see we got this and we got this, so we just obviously we disconnect this real quick. Here, boom. Set that to the side. So you just push down right here. Dang. All right, there we go. All right, and then we have this little piece right here connected somewhere. I think we just pulled this out. All right. So as you can see, yep, we got our APIM right here. So this is the APIM touch screen. We got two Phillips head screws. So I got one here, and then another one on this end right here. That's how we're gonna get it off. All right, and then we have our last and final screw right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this part here off, and then I'll get the new APIM module. All right, once you're done, you just disconnect this piece. And this is our old APIM module right here. As we see, this one is our new APIM module. As you see, it says disconnect battery when you're installing. I think I could send him this one. I'm gonna inbox him and see if I could send him my old one. See if I can get any type of credit back maybe. But the guy did look out. I ordered the wrong one. I forgot to order the one with navigation system, even though I rarely use the navigation system on this truck. I usually just always use Apple CarPlay, but it's good to have just in case. You know. I believe this guy, what he does is he buy them like the old ones from people and he refurbished them. I believe that's what he does. But whatever he's doing, he's out here, to me, in my opinion, he's doing the Lord's work out here. So this was this way. All right, from here is really just put everything back like you found it. All right, there we go. Now the rest is just connecting everything back to how we got it. All right, so let's just plug and play at this point. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So this here, this connection go here. This piece, and then you got the bigger piece right here. Go. Good. All right, now from here we just pushing it in and we're gonna put our bolts back on. Whoop. Push everything, make sure it's in there good. All right, good. All right, so we got the battery and everything back connected, so let's test it out real quick. Yeah, look like everything back good. So yeah, very simple and easy install. Yeah, all the controls and everything works. If you like this video and this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and leave a comment down below. Also consider subscribing to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.